We're going to be working with Dollar Tree eggs. I know y'all have seen these. Okay, what we're going to be working with tonight, I'm going to use this upside down plastic bowl to help hold my eggs while I work. I'm going to start out with the jeweled. We're going to do jewel tones from Dollar Tree, and then we're also going to do these big silver and gold ones too. And I've got some ideas how to style them. I do want to show y'all, whenever we're working with these eggs, these jewel toned eggs, aren't they beautiful? They have a lot of like really pretty colors. They're light and they do tend to kind of roll away. If you have enough eggs laying around, you can put the little ones inside the one you're working on, and that gives it a little bit more weight. Does that make sense? I'm going to be using the bling wrap tonight, along with some of our beautiful colored jewels, some of the rhinestone and pearl, and some of the just rhinestone, okay? I'm going to be using a little bit of everything, and then I am on one egg going to use the gold wrap. A single strand that I've cut, and I'll do some while I'm live, but these were pre-cut. You just cut these down. It's very user-friendly. If y'all have ever used this before, it cuts like butter. I mean, it's that easy. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope y'all like this. They're gonna be so blingy. I'm gonna start at the top. My hands are a little bit shaky. I'm not sure why. I get like that sometimes. But I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this on top and letting it adhere. All right, you guys, this is what we've done so far. We've blinged up that egg using the bling wrap, and now I'm going to take that beautiful stone and watch what I'm doing so I don't burn myself. These are perfect. I chose the ones that would set perfectly on these kind of the crown of the egg. Whoops, be very careful. Don't do what I just did. Luckily I did not burn myself, but I dropped it. I love that, it's beautiful. Can y'all see that? We're going to keep going here. I'm gonna let that sit there and kind of adhere. And we're going to move on to this beautiful one right here. Bling around the middle. And then we're going to add this beautiful piece. Look how this matches. Isn't that beautiful? So there is egg number 2. I'm going to do like this again. Isn't that gorgeous against that color? Some of these will have little like slides on the back of them. These little ones will. But you can just take, I already did that before I came on, but you can just take a good pair of wire cutters and just snip that right off. Peelers. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. The pearl is just, oh my goodness. Maybe we'll do that again where we kind of go around the top and the side. On this particular one, I chose this really pretty pearl, kind of, it's rhinestone with pearl. Let's cut it down to where it's 3 lines. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, this is what I was going to show y'all. I've got these beautiful, heavy, like brass and gold, and I haven't polished it or anything. I like that it's kind of looks, you know, old. So, what I was thinking is, because it's jewel toned, how pretty would it be for these beautiful eggs, if I can get them to cooperate with me. I thought these would be beautiful just casually sitting in this. Kind of have to work with a little bit. But anyway, that was my idea for that. So next, let's go to these big eggs. These were also found at Dollar Tree. They have the silver and they have the gold, and there's 2 in 1 packet. So I got 2 packets, and we're gonna do 2 of each. Let's see, on one of these, I'm gonna use gold bling wrap. on this one. That's what we have so far. Part. And we are going to put on this piece right here. Now, this is the rhinestone with the gold. Let me see if I can. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got 2 silver left. And what am I gonna do with this? I kind of keep doing the same thing, but y'all get the idea. It's just however you want to do it. Okay, you guys, look at that. With the gold, just to make it look different. Y'all can see. Okay, let's do this last one here. I'm gonna cut. I'm done with you for tonight. Glue gun. I have kind of the same as earlier, only this isn't a round bowl. It's a oblong oval. And I thought these might be pretty in here. Let me show y'all again because they're hard to see once I put them in the bowl. Isn't that beautiful? Y'all could style these however you want. This is what I had on hand. Haven't been out today. There's the one with the pearl. They keep moving around. That's the one. I love that with that gold. Really pretty. Like when I looked down at them while I go on the floor, oh my goodness. They just stood out. Look at these. Just little jewel tone eggs all blinged up. With all the rhinestone, all the different jewel tone colors that we offer. Y'all go check that out.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.